Welcome to Friday Friendly Kitchen, and today in our recipe we are going to make agar mera, or the red agar or the red jelly. So this is also best to be made during Ramadan, and so let's see how it is being made, and let's get into the kitchen without further delay. To make this simple jelly, or the agar, or in Bahasa they call it agar mera. So it is a simple dish to be made, and these are the dry ingredients that I have right now with me. 3/4 cup of sugar, and I have 4 teaspoons of agar powder, and I have 1 tablespoon of rock sugar, 1/8 teaspoon of salt, and some red color powder that we'll be using. And our wet ingredients are 5 cups of water, and I'll be using about 2 teaspoons of pure vanilla extract. It can be a regular artificial vanilla extract, it doesn't matter, it's the same. To start off this process, so we shall pound the rock sugar in a mortar, just not too powdery but just a coarse version. The rock sugar is pounded. Our next step is to add the salt and the agar powder. And with this we will stir it continuously approximately about 2 minutes for the agar powder to get dissolved in the water. It's been over 2 minutes. Now we can go to the kitchen to continue the process. And now, with our stove on a medium low, we could start boiling the water while continuously stirring on. Dear viewers, the water has been already warmed up, and at this point we can add the rock sugar. And here's my rock sugar. And continue stirring till the rock sugar is dissolved. Dear viewers, as we see the foam that it's building up, so we could remove the foam. It is the dirt of the impurity of the agar, so we could just remove them like this with a strainer, a fine mesh strainer. As much as you can. and whatever the left, we can pour it back. At this point, dear viewers, we can add the sugar and continue stirring till the sugar is dissolved. At this point, I am adding the red color powder, which is a 1/8 of a teaspoon. I'm using a quarter teaspoon of half of it. And continue stirring. And now we can add approximately about 1 to 2 teaspoons of vanilla essence. Dear viewers, it has already come to a boil, and at this time I will just turn off the stove and I'll add the vanilla essence. I haven't added the vanilla essence, now I'm going to add the vanilla essence. And continue stirring. On a big strainer, I'm just going to strain this agar agar, and then I will strain it again. And a second straining. Dear viewers, our agar agar is almost ready. Now it has to cool off and get harden. So we will see once it has been cooled off. Hello viewers, welcome again. And our red jelly or the red agar agar is ready. Now it's time to cut them out. So I will see you when I have cut them out. And here viewers, our final presentation for the Ramadan agar, the red agar agar for Ramadan season. And also it is why we make the agar agar for the breaking of the fast. Is because throughout the day not even a drop of water is being consumed. So all this helps them to continue the journey for the next day easily. So this is one of the things, and it's also cooling. During this season of fasting, the interior body gets heated up, and this agar agar, when you consume it, it becomes it cools off the interior of the body and balance up the temperature. So this is one of the best thing even for kids, adults, elderly people who will surely love it. So I would like you to try it out in your home kitchen and let me know. And I wish all my Muslim friends and Muslim viewers eat My apologies. It's not Eid Mubarak. It's Ramadan Kareem or Ramadan Mubarak. And I wish you the best in this fasting season. So, and we will please stay tuned because there will be more recipes will be coming out for Eid. So those who are new, thank you very much for joining me, and do not forget to subscribe to the channel and also click the bell icon, so whenever we post a video you shall get a notification of your favorite desserts, or maybe it might be a favorite one. And for those who are with me, thank you very much, and give a try in your own kitchen. Thank you very much, and I would like to wish you Ramadan Mubarak or Ramadan Kareem, and also in Malaysian language is called Selamat Berpuasa. Thank you. Bye bye.